Our geometry and construction class has been visiting these apartments that are under construction, and it's pretty interesting to learn about them.
We've been coming to the apartment buildings and townhouses and seeing all the things that go into building an apartment.
We thought it would be important to have them come out here and start and look at what it took to construct the building, from excavation of the footings, foundations, the rough framings, the rough mechanicals, window installation.
It's been pretty interesting because they were talking about different math formulas that you have to know to build certain things, and we just learned them in class.
The City of Crystal Lake was really happy to be able to connect District 155 to the Kinzie Builders, to be able to partner those two together to bring real-life math concepts out of the classroom into the enclave development.
Next week, our Vice President of Pre-Construction Services and Estimating is going to explain to them how the whole project management side of things work. So they'll get a little taste of everything as the process from starting from the beginning through turning over the buildings to the developing client. I think it's great because what it'll do is give them a taste of what it's like to be a part of something like that, and maybe those kids that want to move on to college to get a construction management or an engineering degree, great. Or some that might want to be a tradesman. I might want to be an electrician, a plumber, or somebody working on a road crew. So I think it's a great thing that the school here is doing for these children.